Obeka sorry, near say pastors 20 no more. Oh, yeah, there. Oh, yeah, there was her. Meanwhile, every Sunday, Pastor Marco Penny preaching. Found another preaching. On one of the more I friend of pastors, at the end, what do you do there?
Okay.
So, what did you do? Nasa, ya be nanka, asempano, kebetre. Sagentre.
Also, yet me cassette.
Thank you, Anka. This time, so all other branches are. Omuna komoba no me so asori na sin. Nanka ye peja de no, na be ka behwe. But see no, asori na concentrated at one position for a long time. Enti ono da fam no, ono feel say, mumu ya na just enyonyam ni bi kra ba be komo.
Okay.
But what would the thinking of a black man? And I say, Ghanaian the
but
way.
But that's how be a disrespect, no,
no. You see, and no crash shouldn't be a problem. Entity now is your what job ye.
Chiflos Anan, the Doubting Thomas. May come for a year, Nana for Spiritual and Herbal Center, Eddie Amount. At the Kuta may come for us a video be a home or what's anything. A year one time, it's because a Drobian Cadem. Yes, a Drobian Cadem. What do we are for? Us with me and say, Arena out here. We catch no say, let's say, I are sending Ghana. There's a happy, I are sending. Nana for Spiritual and Herbal Center. See, we are here, or better the 10.
For me, Wakaba, aha, too much age, aha, and then someone a good chicobra man, ye dear gua, now ye do who am como, I will fear Hanamusi, I don't see, say, oh, sir, a can video, and no share now for Franco and Sir Akabi. A year or so for Reverend Anthony Kojuguachi, our that Resurrection Power Ministry, and no, and they were Becassa, at the Afa a year 20th anniversary. Na sorry mano ahihye se wodi anniversary no na oni hobi enunti eye ne nkasa ye mu no wa kire se baby a omodi anniversary no abedun wonjai wontwa so na won fam to ho so wani die e de mano a ono ankasa ba na ne oni omu nyina plan ba pa se wodi 20 years anniversary na founder eni hodie baby o ma ahihye die do wonyai eno ho nkomo na ye ba bedi na nsa na no me enti eye papa na nu asem emra yaba me director Ben Bruce for me chen was studio ha near the nkomo no ahihye so
we din shira kase na ebrew we din shira mu du na ebrew woni ba gi pass first no gbenya na kase bisese ko hye yesu ne ba e de monyam hye ene ngosrafofo na eba enam de ebrew resurrection timiso power resurrection wa mante oni resurrection timiso power resurrection timiso power ene ma bi wo ha drink akra mam kan kire ya na anniversary ye be di anniversary me share da ba me di anniversary ni yie na anniversary na mo sha ase ndabi enye fe obi ya frame a adan na wo maye na ye di anniversary o yare na ye di anniversary wo chinye fe muntwam firine a me mutimini anniversary na ma hye muntwam enye fe se founder do dia safo no bai nyame nam so de bai eni ho e da wo de bai brebebre ba ma brema fema bisine a wo se tu ebo ase celebrate no on si anniversary bia wo hye ne so ye de 1 month in a celebrate ti me ba ni atu ebo ase de 1 month a celebrate kama enye fe panyi we frame a o adan na uni ho na ye di anniversary wachi enye fe ntwa ye enye fe ti munyai ma muni anniversary bia nyame bo na me ba ni atu na ye fe na de oni munyam sha ba se founder de nyame na so de asafo no ba wa ba ni ye nyina ka bom de ni gie mu du a celebrate 20 years anniversary ti de mo ye munyai de mo ye ne ya mo tim ka sei obi a enzo se pani generation church bia jai se ubu ade na ofere ade na oni mi se me na urade na me so enzo se pani generation church ba ya me na mtie na me si jai eni celebrity na me ya do me ba ni ato obo asa celebrity ni fe oti na me shira enye fe ebu oni se founder do dey enzo se pani generation church ba nyame na me so de ba eni ho the 20 years in oni ho na ye celebrity won achi nyefe first yes see you me hon to me first yes see na me ni ho na ye celebrity unze nyefe enti munjai metwam me ba ne ato ebo ase ahyehyɛ no fefefe 1 month na obetimi nka na nyina ka bom na ye kɔ ne ebuse ne ye kɔba ne ye de asɛm odin asa ɛne nwomtoɔ dede ɛne handkerchief white ne ye him sa ta no baba na ni gye no wayi du so hu sa ta no hu me na ma ni gye no wayi
me sanso ema wakwa ba biemu dawata mo wakwa
Yeah, me.
bibia bokode ya na Yesu ase. For almost a year now, Reverend Anthony Boakye yentenenka ya bon kontin akọhọ nso mama ya ne na nkasa asọrọ ma ye training nti apapa ntimi ma eno ani so wa homeje mu ama wa homeje na ni 20 years anniversary edu oti asọrọ ni fihia pole aduonu eniye asọrọ na organize eye program wo year anniversary nanso eye papa e ba be kasa na dodo na nim se obekasa dia for mo ba yo si yenjai anniversary no esan se oni ho se yetimi di anniversary e wa bra founder anyhow and I say who be here say founder no ho asana anniversary say ni
Me chia otifo se asori no ye ma Kristo dia anke di anniversary na ke yi
okay
baby ana asori ni ye ma nipa eno dia is o twen no ma nipa ebi answer me say ya asori to say personal property
okay
ba asori nya wo dia asori nya me dia ye kuo ni abam say ye peja bibi na ya beso wo enyo personal property
okay
enti nipa no uze ya say nipa ni wa na just asori na gu by infraction on ya wo kan e say nipa no oni wa asori na gu because sebe ohododo na wontimi ndia anniversary can still go on and no kwan e say whether you are there or not Christ lives nyankopon pe no no onyare no it's say asori no ne fa pe me Kristo dia yesa kan anniversary na jekoso
but who say Bible say yemfa na nidie ese no yemfa ma no say papa yi ene obi a ni vision onya yemfa asori ne ho wote ye na say ene ye bedi 20 years anniversary na say oni ho bia say entwa years a
ada na entwa yi ipa oye nipa we den ya yare ya we brenti se baby odan ne yemfa ne say bia 5 years no ne ho nto no enye sa
say na for 25 years
na afeni wa bedi it's not right the world that we are living in ye betu wiase ye beja wiase ho ne wiase ho me de bia me say ade bia wo ye no mane outlive you because outlive you I say uni ho kra ma de ne nkoso na wo ya ade based on you alone say bi na you say bibi to why say ne yet me possible because papa ni ho
okay
a problem
what actually is happening say ye de anibu asisi a ye be hu say what is happening because if say ono ani ka say mu our body bi wo ho asofo a watete omo ni ade na woni ho odi wachi eja oyere kra ka ho bi omo nyina hwa asori no so for so much month no wo ma asori koso omo kwa asori day in day out enti no say papa timi ba out be ka say baby omo di anniversary na du abra omo starting Monday Tuesday now be ka say yenyai because of say woni wonti a adam penifo na mo na mane ana say ye na free administration because of say oyare enu kwa ye dey na papa timi di ba out be kasa
and no shouldn't be a problem who say they be am say entity be na ye dey ma omo a opese on follow ye
okay
obekọ asori ni say pastors 20 no omo ye dey omo ye dey asori meanwhile every Sunday pastor back open the preaching founder na the preaching ono na ebi nti mu a ye friend of pastors e dey na mo what do you do there
okay
se mu didi na sesa na sa de be na nka asempa no ke betre sa gentre
also be etnika subject
thank you nti anka this time se all other branches are omo na komo ba no meso asori na sen na nka ye pagya ade no na be ka behwe but see ya no asori na concentrated at one position for a long time enti ono da fam no ono feel say mo ya na just enuonyam ni bi kra ba be komo
okay
but what would the thinking of a black man and I say Ghanaian the
but
way
that's how be all disrespect no
no you see and no crash shouldn't be a problem entity na what is your what is your me because some to me to tell ba say nipa ment na wa feball it me ba ne why say me ma who say me ni wa adwuma na me ye no to asoma me.
Okay.
Now if me to asoma me say me nya idea. Which means that it's here about to tell me no. What to tell me say me tre near me mo na me nya bio. But what to tell me say me tena wona say afeball. Sad the mentality of asofo bebree here Ghana. Or to tell what the way they say oba betena me na say. Why na see me betena na say. Sebe wo no obi tete wo da outside na say a sanka wo we anga to me go to there. Eti ese otete wo tete de say kona kwati bi. Natural asem na me dit say wo am training no. Wo so fa go training obi na kingdom no enso. Eno no ye problem.
Say abane say yate even say asori or school and I say association na ye bedi association no anniversary and he for na was some involved in the anniversary
A committee nieti.
Okay.
Committee of perform was ready nieti. Now oma planning how it should be and all that. Found an po dia wo ho no ma new name check keke de ma. By yet planning committee. Sometimes it's not even headed by the founder. Omo planning say based on ABI various professions, accountant, money a friend, we will money a friend, event planner a friend na e do mo no matter. Inti wo founder na dey person
no to that. But founder no say they involved in one way or the other.
Now one
like say ideas be a mobile report to.
Thank you. Founder be or person or actively involved.
Okay.
And no problem. Or person and you nyam hye no nyina e besi no so e jakra no hwe am ye ade no. But you see ewiase sa open nyam a enyonyam ye si obi e wa enyonyam a ono ni obi otimi e delegate ye kase delegate ya otimi di na juma e mo obi here but still enyonyam no to come back to him. What I say but ye say me ne obi ahwe me eno ni a problem.
20 years anniversary almost started in that. Na papa beka say wonyai baby om dia bibia eye wontwa so oni ho enti wontwan oba no nyina dia bom fefefe se mo obuo de manu a ene na montwan baby ya start program no ehu advert a o ma ye ehu programs o ma hyehyɛ fasting say ekoso prayers say ekoso ni ade e bia invite bi o mo dia call out invite other ministries ni ade so mo ma join na ne papa se wonyai a eye the right thing. Before so obetimi about abekasasa no na bia onju se na bibi nso akoka papa ana se ne maybe wo ho no ho hu se ase ye ya forget no
Eti say Yesu okosoro no waka che suafo na se munya bibi amoye me ba no makoso ake ne ina nke twen
kai wa twen ye mu
you see that thing no you see me person ni pa mu se adwenye wo asofo bi etrim Ede na wo ba beye Founders Day no. Ede na wo ba potting na wo ba beye a woni wa sorry ntimi koso.
Anniversary day no.
Wow.
Obema speech.
De bia me say asorry bebre organa. Omofo na no pe asorry da gu. Very few churches in the carry on after the founder is gone. Because with him selfishness nti omo ni succession plan. Say me ni wa we na wo ho. Ni owo ho we training is say utukwan otimi take hold of the church otimi ya sorry no mepeja no and that's why I said sorry no members some can say and then there some pani emma sorry me ma sorry the moment osofo sorry for bekasa no what kese o because so mo ka say yesu nyeba be so na nyame uya hwan na wa ma sorry a ye ma Seminim se nyame na mabe som no na sa tete na ode amamia one master one oba I need to be there and no na asofo to be na be there or permanent best say go to church because entity na ode mo mo say hwe me and hwe Kristo
hwe me and hwe Kristo ahwefo for wadin jefafa comment ne ho ese papa stopping anniversary no yes I was stopping no and I say enye afen so adie ena ma papa timi aba out to say program ya starting no ya stopping no ben ye de yan komo no esi na ye di esi no say anniversary ya ba wo ho because to celebrate 20 years I am big
easy
you involve a lot
of planning
enti no ministers papa yere ka ho bi not taking charge of the church now. Omo nyina engine to Papa Kasa, the founder Kasa. enti wonyin tum na wonyai ana say wobu na asem so no want to ask
Simple.
na dey see amame
2 words. Say eye Christo ena mo som ne de a mo celebrate. Na say nipa so na mo som ne de a mo tie papa na asem. Manuasi.
I want to my is enough and unti no just say ya bubu be wa tumire wa kire mo amompem asieku a otumire no fafiri so enti decide for yourself samo hwe na samo sum nyame dia but I think say every church bia no e wo executives are omo planning even though the founder is not there no life goes on enti no mo hwe na enyeme bia atotosin say mo ya anniversary no without papa knowledge mo anje adwenche bia won ho mo yina sinchan because of warranty and enam so am no so abekasa sa na ma hwe na ma siesie ansa na aye too late because onipa enam no so ani trimupo eye ni vision abamu na ye nyina ye didi ase no na mama hu se nipa ne hu hia pa enti bibia mo ye bia hu be hia be se fata se mo beje na dwenkyere anasa ono so na idea about it no no so aye involve oyare de no kan no enya de awawu otiase otimi kasa enti mo bisa na se mo betimi akasa mo ni ndele mamu yini sinchan na mo ya den kro no ane Reverend Anthony Kwadwo Boakye resurrection power aha and I'm doing AC like a video na share all the social media platform no eso meeting any empress and ememe nyina ka etwe ba ko pe ade ba ko ne se abe yerade ya be wo manafe se abenkwan ya wo mefe ni adwene nyina afra na de abrem wo mama twa bi yedi ya de asi